still, sweetheart. You'll look perfect for school. Eat quickly, or you'll miss the bus.
Kitten, are you eating breakfast or watching videos again?
Hi, Mom. See you after school.
Take care, sweetheart. Don't forget your lunch. Good morning there, little buddy. Come on in, watch your step.
Look at the trees. It feels like a quiet storybook today. I like the rain. Puddles, they look like mirrors. It's gonna be a great day. Wow, that was a huge storm. I know, right? Good thing I brought my towel.
Late again, Kitten?
Factor the quadratic equation, we find that.
Look who finally showed up.
His fur is all wet.
Kitten, wake up! This is a classroom, not your bed.